Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Toyota Prius. Begin by lightly sketching a long, low rectangular shape to represent the main body of the car. Next, draw a smooth, arcing line over the top of the rectangle to form the distinctive roofline. Finally, add two half-circle shapes for the wheel arches, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Now let's add some key features. Carefully draw the sharp, angular headlights at the front and the distinct taillights at the rear. Next, outline the side windows and the large windshield, paying attention to their proportions. Don't forget to sketch in the front grille and the basic bumper details. Moving on, it's time for the wheels and doors. Draw the circular wheels inside the previously sketched arches, adding hubcap details if desired. Then, carefully draw the distinct door lines and small door handles on the side of the car. Remember to include the side mirrors, extending slightly from the body. Finally, let's refine your drawing. Gently erase any unnecessary construction lines to clean up your sketch. Add subtle body lines and creases to give the Prius its characteristic shape and definition. For a more realistic finish, consider adding some light shading to create depth and highlight contours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.